Hello and welcome to IGCSE Math course run by Maths Cure. Today we're looking at Section A, Lesson 2, and this will be on calculator buttons. Okay, so today's agenda. First of all, we're going to look at some specialist buttons, so you need to know these buttons. And then we're going to look at BODMAS on your calculator. So let's get started. So we're going to talk about some important buttons now. So button number 1 that we're going to talk about is the reciprocal button. So as you can see from the screen, it looks like the x to the power of -1. Okay, so the reciprocal button, so a reciprocal of a number is 1 divided by it. So the reciprocal of 2 is 1/2, okay? And as you can see on there, the reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. It's an important button to know how to use. So next we're going to look at the ANDS button. So the ANDS key, this key will repeat the answer without retyping it. So this uses your last answer in your current calculations. This is super useful. One of the most useful buttons on your calculator for long questions. So finally, the cube root button and the square root button. So you might have to press Shift for this, but these are very useful as it saves a lot of time in exams, and that is very important. BODMAS on your calculator. BODMAS questions can have a lot of tricky decimals and other special buttons in them. You can do these questions in Go, but you could lose precious marks. The memory button can help you with long calculations, and the ANDS button is helpful in this too. Okay, so try to use the memory button and the ANDS button in long calculations to make sure you get all the marks. One last tip, always use brackets to make sure your answer is 100% correct. Okay, you need to always use brackets, they're very important. So there's some pictures of some brackets. So thank you for watching. I wish you well in your studies. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks. More content up soon.